Hello everyone, welcome back to our virology series. And in our previous video, we introduced the basic virology and explored its history as well as viral structure and classifications. So if you have missed those, so be sure to check them out. And today we are going to focus on the shapes of the viruses, and we will understand the different shapes of viruses which help us to comprehend their behavior, ineffectivity, and how they interact with the host cell. So viruses basically comes in different varieties of shapes and sizes. The three main shapes of the viruses are helical, icosahedral, and complex, and each shape is uniquely suited to the virus's method of infection and replication. So first, let's take a look on helical viruses. These are the viruses that have a rod-shaped or filamentous structure, and the viral RNA or DNA is coiled inside a cylindrical capsid, which is made up of repeating protein subunits that are called as capsomers. And this helical arrangement forms a spiral resembling to a spring. A classic example of helical virus is a tobacco mosaic virus, which infects the plants. And if we talk about the human viruses, so the influenza virus is also a helical virus, and its genome is enclosed within a helical nucleocapsid and then surrounded by an envelope. Next, we have the icosahedral viruses, and these viruses are characterized by their symmetrical, roughly spherical shape that is formed by 20 equilateral triangular faces. And this is a big complex structure, but it provides the highly efficient way to close the viral genome with a minimal number of capsomers and making it very, very stable. So the example of such viruses includes the adenovirus, which cause respiratory infections, and herpes viruses, which cause cold sores, and genital herpes are the prime example of icosahedral viruses. The icosahedral structure is also ideal for protecting the genetic material. Finally, we have our third type, that is the complex viruses. And these viruses do not fit into the helical or icosahedral category. Instead, they include the additional components like tails or complex outer walls. The perfect example of complex viruses includes the bacteriophages, which infect the bacteria, and they have an icosahedral head that contains the viral DNA, and the tail structure that helps in injecting its DNA into the host cell. And another example is the pox virus, which causes smallpox and has a complex structure with multiple layers and a large genome. So why exactly the viral shape matter? The shape of the viruses affects how it attaches and enters inside the host cells and how it replicates and invades into the host immune system. For instance, the elongated shape of the helical viruses allow them to move through the mucus more efficiently, while the compact icosahedral shape provides stability in various environments. Furthermore, understanding the virus shapes is crucial for developing antiviral drugs and vaccines. By knowing the structure, scientists can also design the molecules that specifically target and neutralize the viruses. That's all for today's class. Thanks for watching.